In this module, we will learn how to access NetSuite for the first time. After logging into NetSuite, we will see how to change the password based on the password guidelines given by the account administrator. Since it is a true web-based and cloud solution, we will see how NetSuite allows its application to be logged in from different browsers and devices. In order to provide security to the application account users, we will also see how NetSuite validates users logging into the application from different locations and devices. To authenticate valid user logging into the application, we will also see how NetSuite provides the option for setting up security questions. We will also take a look at how the data model is organized in NetSuite. As we start getting into the NetSuite ERP Foundation e-learning series, it is also critical that we understand the different terminologies used by the NetSuite for creating entities and transactions. And finally, we will understand what is a business rule, business process, and how it is relevant to NetSuite. Let us get started by having access to the NetSuite. If you have purchased a subscription account, you will receive an email from NetSuite. The email will have details related to the website, the email ID you had given at the time of signing the contract, with a temporary password for logging into NetSuite. If you are a new user to an existing NetSuite account, password details will be sent to your email ID by the system's administrator. You can log into NetSuite with the provided email ID and temporary password. It is advisable you change your temporary password the first time you log into NetSuite. The guidelines for changing the password will be provided to you by the system administrator. Once you have access to NetSuite, let us see how to change the password. Click on the Home button, as pointed by the icon. You will see the Settings portlet on the left-hand side of the Home dashboard. Click on Change Password. You can see the Change Password page coming up. The administrator of your NetSuite instance may have set up specific criteria that your password must meet. The password criteria will be clearly shown on the screen when you are changing your password. Change the password and reconfirm it as per password criteria guidelines. Save the new password by clicking on the Save button. Security questions help to maintain the application security by preventing unauthorized use of NetSuite credentials. NetSuite will ask you to fill in a security questions upon first logging in. There is an option to select Remind me later. It is advisable not to do this and to complete the security questions immediately. Ensure the answers are meaningful and memorable, as you will need to answer your security questions if you forget your password. Or, if you log in from a different device or browser, the security questions will be prompted as a method of double authentication. To update your security questions, click on Update Security Questions on the Settings portlet in the Home dashboard. First time you log in, you are prompted to answer 3 security questions. Security questions and answers are shared across all NetSuite accounts, including Sandbox account. Once the security questions and answers have been entered, save the changes by clicking on the Save button. If you don't remember the answer, you can ask the account administrator to reset your password. In this case, you need to re-enter your security questions and answers again. You can also reset the password on your own. If you reset your password on your own, security questions and answers will remain the same.